Hi there, folks. I'm meteorologist Anthony J. with America's Weather Streaming Channel with an update on the hurricane threat for Florida. And we are watching right now Tropical Storm Helene, and you can see it here on the satellite from earlier in the afternoon. The storm's organizing across the northwestern Caribbean. It's going to be moving over parts or near parts of the Yucatan Peninsula tonight. There are hurricane warnings there. There's a close-up view of the storm from Tuesday afternoon. It's organizing and will be a hurricane fairly soon. Here's the latest update from the Hurricane Center at 5 p.m. Eastern Time. Winds now 50 miles per hour, and they've issued now hurricane warnings in red here, storm surge warnings along the coast, and this is the future path. No real significant change overall as we think it's headed towards that Big Bend area. There's a storm surge warning now for much of the west coast of Florida, and that's really mainly for Thursday. Now here is the future tracker, where we're tracking the storm Wednesday, leaving Mexico. It moves north and northeast, and then it starts to approach Florida Thursday morning. And then it accelerates northeast. By 8 p.m., it may already have made landfall, not far from Cedar Key. Now, here's a look at some model tracks. This is an earlier run of these models, taking it towards the Big Bend area of Florida. A new run, not much different, taking it towards the Big Bend with effects far-reaching across into western and central and northern Florida. The intensities, the models had the storm peaking at Category 4 earlier today. New update just in here actually has it a little bit weaker down to Category 3. That would be good news, but we can't count on that. That might just be a short-term fluctuation. So definitely we still have to prepare for a major hurricane. States of emergency have been expanded to over 60 counties in Florida. That basically means the emergency management is into storm mode and focusing on preparing anyone who might be in the storm area for any effects. This is from Matthew Capucci on Twitter X as well. Wanted to show you this. Anywhere in the red, you should be rushing to finish those preparations, and in the orange as well, making slightly less, but still make those preparations. Now in Jacksonville, Florida, they're doing this as well. They're pulling garden flags and trash cans out and making sure there's no debris out there. So you want to get those batteries. Also, you want to get non-perishable food and prepare to be potentially without power for a while. Here's the rainfall forecast. Easily 6 to 8 inches likely in many areas. That'll stretch up all the way into North Carolina by Friday. So we're watching that flood threat. And for Tampa Bay, we expect rain showers to form Wednesday night. The storm doesn't really get going until Thursday. We'll have possibly the hurricane force and possible tornadoes. Then it's out of here by later Thursday night. For Cedar Key, conditions deteriorate on Thursday, and then the eye passes nearby, and then we could see wind gusts 120 plus. And again, tornadoes, good possibility, and significant to major storm surge flooding. This is the latest from the Hurricane Center. You could see up to 15 feet of storm surge they're calling for right here, and up to 5 to near 8 feet around Tampa Bay, St. Petersburg, and Clearwater. Some also tides farther south, but not as much. Find us on X. We're posting weather updates here. That's our X page for America's Weather Streaming Channel. And also find us on Facebook. That's our Florida page. We have other pages, a main page. Just type us in the Facebook search bar. And we'll also be on YouTube posting video updates there. Find our new 24/7 channel. We're a brand new channel here. And also the app Weather Valet. Find it on your smartphone as well. Stay safe, everybody.